Hi guys, welcome to Short Nail Life. So in today's video, we are doing a little bit of an organization video. It's a little choppy because I got a little frustrated in some of the videos and I thought I was pressing record, but I didn't. So some of it didn't get recorded, but you could see clearly what I was doing and what I was going for. So to start off, as you can see, I am emptying this 12 count tray into this larger container. I like the larger container for charms because it's more space for the charms, and charms to me don't really fit too well in these 12 count trays. And as you can see, I am mixing the flowers up because they're two different sizes and I didn't feel like each size or color needed their own tray, so I just kind of combined everything up. So I was just showing you that 12 count container, it's a little loose, so some of those diamonds might fall out, but I am emptying these into there even though that container is broken. I want to fix these. I'm gonna put some saran wrap or something around this so it won't fall out, but I really don't reach for those pointed back diamonds. That's why I'm combining them, because some of the colors didn't actually match, so I did kind of combine colors in here as well. But like I said, I don't really reach for these. That's what I'm showing you now. Some of the colors didn't match, so I did kind of combine them. So I did like a jet black with a black diamond, same color but different stone looks. So yeah, I'm gonna have to fix this tray. Like I said, it's loose. As you saw, some of the diamonds escaped, but I just wanted some of these containers emptied out. I really didn't tell you why I am emptying these containers. So I'm going to organize my other charms that come in wheels with these containers. So that's why you keep seeing me emptying out containers. I needed those and I felt like I have somewhere else to put this stuff. So what I'm doing now is emptying out these caviar and pearls, and I'm just going to put them in bags. And I'm doing this because I'm not going to reach for these. If I run out, I feel like this is a backup for what I have, but the quality of these are not as good as what I do already reach for, if that makes sense. And I will show you a comparison so you can see exactly what I mean. But these are the kind that would turn on your nails even after you top coat it. I feel like it will find a way to turn. I don't like the quality of these. So here is what I actually use in this pot compared to that. You can see the color difference. Like, I don't know if it's like they're supposed to be two different colors, or I don't know, but the quality is just so different. And if you did not know that about caviar charms, I'm sorry, caviar beads, yes, the quality is different based on where you get them from. So kind of read reviews because you don't want to be stuck with the ones that turn so easily. They're kind of annoying. But like I said, I bagged all of this up and I did combine all of the pearl colors I had together. I think they're beautiful in that bag combined. Like it given me inspiration. So I am combining this tray as well. It's the same thing on both sides. So I'm just switching it over to the opposite side and combining them, if that makes sense. This just giving me a little bit more room to organize the other side with some charms or alloy pieces, metal pieces, whatever you call them. And you'll see what I'm talking about. But all of this is just, like I said, leading up to me organizing my wheels. They irritate me so. I don't really reach for the wheels I have because of the fact that they're so, I don't know, I can't say hidden because they're not hidden, they're just annoying to work with. So I decided I'm going to organize my rhinestones in these 24 count containers, which this is how I actually do organize my rhinestone colors. I will show you that I do take out the AB and crystal clear, and I always organize those in this one container that I have specifically for clear and AB. So like I said, I just organize the colors in these, and then I'll put my clear and my AB in this container. And sometimes I will combine shapes, which I probably did combine a couple of the shapes in this container today because I don't think I had any flames. I think these were my only crystal clear flames, so they went in with the other shape that I already have down there. I do want to quickly say, I apologize for my last organization video. I think I sounded like I was ungrateful for the space that I have because I tell you guys all the time I have a small space. I am extremely grateful for the space I have. I meant to say I was trying to tell you guys I have a small space for people who also have small spaces. You can watch and follow and get inspiration and tips. That's what my brain was trying to say to you guys, but it sounded like I was complaining, and I'm sorry about that. I'm not complaining. I am very happy with the space I have. I'm just trying to share tips that I use so you guys can use them as well. So I completely talked through that last portion of the video, and all I did was again combine more things that were alike. So I just saw these beads and I knew that I could just put them in a container so I could at least see them, because sometimes when you have things in bags, they're hard to see and it's hard to use them. But some of these wheels I do end up leaving, like the flowers, because it's just no point of putting them in a little tray. I don't have enough of them and they won't fall through the cracks. So yeah, some of these I did not even organize yet. That was because I actually ran out of trays, but all of these are going to go into those 12 count trays. And I know a lot of people hate those trays. I personally love them. They're small, they're compact, and they fit really nicely in that drawer for Michael's. I can get probably, I don't know, over 40, 50 in there probably. I would have to count. I don't know. I would count it until I put it on the screen. But like I said, some of these did have to stay in these containers. And while I'm showing you these bins I got these from Dollar Tree. They come in a pack of 3 for $1. You get 3 colors, so you don't get all the same colors. I just purchased like 4 packs of them, which is why you see so many of the same colors. And as you can see, I use them for everything, and they fit so nicely in those micro drawers. And you could do like I did. I got this idea from Blue Rose. She actually organizes her brushes separately. So in one of the containers I had my liners, I had gel brushes in the other one, and I had dust brushes in the other one. Then you saw I had files in them as well. Like, this was a genius idea that she came up with, so I had to share it. Definitely go to Dollar Tree, pick up some of these little bins, and like sort your brushes or anything you need out in them, because it makes it so much easier for me to create my nail art when I have my brushes separated like that. So yeah, genius idea. Thank you, Blue Rose, for showing that. But right now, again, I'm just combining like things with like things. As you can see, these would have been fine in the wheel because they don't really come out of their compartments because they're so large. But since I already had a tray, I decided to just go ahead and put them in the tray. There was no point of not organizing them when I had a space they can go into. And if you didn't want to like open each compartment like I did, you can pop the top of these off like this. You just need a little bit of elbow grease, and then they'll pop right back into place. And also, if they're stuck and you just can't get them to move, this is a good tip for that as well. So I'm going to put that in there as well because it's the same thing. I'll do that off camera. But next up, I'm going to organize these hearts. So this is kind of the last clip you see me organizing because I turned the camera off. I don't know if I was hungry, frustrated, I don't know what was happening, but I turned the camera off and I forgot to turn it back on, or I probably entered a zone where I was organizing. But these are a little frustrating because I am, as you can see, picking out the ones that don't go in there. They are a lot combined, and that's again why I said I don't like the wheels. I like to put them in this 12 count tray because they don't really fall through those cracks as much as these trays do. So yeah, that's why I do this. I know some people don't like either organization containers, but I personally like these because I don't have a problem with these. Now, I don't like these for glitter. For glitter, they are annoying. I am now trying to transition some of my glitter into a jar when they're in these containers. That can get really expensive, but what I'm just showing you is I was able to get all of these emptied off camera. Like I said, I forgot to turn back on the camera. I got a little frustrated or hungry, I don't know, but I forgot to turn the camera back on. And I'm just showing you I was able to empty out, I think, 9 of these. And yes, there is some caviar beads left in one of them. That's because they got combined. There's rose gold, gold, and silver. So I'll put that in a container later on. So I am showing you I organized this thing as well. I put thingies in here. Like I got so much combined today. I was very happy with my progress, and I still have some of these that are a little bit empty, so I will continue to organize later on. So let me know what you guys think about this video. Do you like this organization system, or do you have a tip that's better than what I am using? Like, definitely let me know. I have 6 left, and I'll probably put those in a tray very soon. But thank you guys for joining me. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. I want you to have an amazing day. I do new videos twice a week. Bye.